Think you need money to make money? Wrong. Some of the wealthiest people alive started with nothing, just skills, strategy, and the right mindset. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start building wealth from zero. No fluff, no shortcuts. Just real, actionable steps. Welcome to the Wealth Forum, your gateway to financial success. Subscribe now and take the first step toward a wealthier, smarter, and more successful future. Let's get to the video. 1. Mindset shift. The very first thing you need isn't money, it's a mindset shift. Most people think like consumers, they earn money and they spend it, but the wealthy? They think like creators and owners. So instead of asking, what can I buy? Start asking, what can I build? What can I learn? What can I offer that solves a problem? Wealth starts in your head, your beliefs, your habits, and your ability to delay gratification. Shift that mindset and you've already started. 2. Learn high-income skills. Next, build skills that pay. The internet has removed all excuses. You can learn high-income skills like copywriting, digital marketing, coding, sales, content creation, or video editing for free. YouTube, Google, and online courses give you access to the same knowledge people charge thousands for. The point is, skills are the new currency. Once you learn one, offer your service. Start small, work on freelance platforms, build a portfolio. Your skill becomes your asset, and you built it without spending a dollar. 3. Use leverage. Once you have a skill, the next step is leverage. Leverage simply means doing more with less. You can leverage your time by creating content or building systems that generate income while you sleep. You can leverage platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to reach global clients. Use AI tools to double your productivity. Even a smartphone can be leveraged if you use it to create, not just consume. The goal is to stop trading time for money and start multiplying your value. 4. Reinvest and multiply. Now, when money starts coming in, whether it's $50 or $500, don't waste it. Reinvest it. Buy better tools. Take advanced courses. Build a personal brand. Start a small online business. Or invest in low-risk assets like index funds. The goal isn't just to make money, it's to make that money work for you. And the earlier you start reinvesting, the faster your wealth grows. That's how momentum builds, and that's where the real compounding happens. So, can you build wealth with $0? Absolutely. Start with the right mindset. Learn a high-income skill. Leverage free tools and platforms. Reinvest what you earn. Rinse and repeat. It's not always easy, but it's simple, and it works. If you're ready to start your wealth journey from scratch and take control of your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the Wealth Forum. This is where strategy meets action, because we don't just talk money, we build it.